straight and very nice confidently. So हमारा अप्रैल एडिशन होगा. So आप जो सब लोग ये देख रहे हैं, आप लोग अगर बुक शोकेस करना चाहते हैं कोई, तो प्लीज कॉन्टैक्ट डॉक्टर कैंडी डिलोनी. शी विल बी शेयरिंग हर ईमेल आईडी विद यू. और अगर आपको पीडीएफ्स चाहिए जितने भी बुक प्रेजेंटर हैं, तो भी आप हमको मेल कर सकते हैं, हम आपको दे देंगे. So अभी now next presenter is Dr. Candy Deloni. So I have something about her. So yes,
Hi.
Candy.
Hi, Sangeeta. So I'd like to share with our viewers. Thank you. You're doing a fabulous
Yes.
job, Sangeeta. And want to thank Dr. Mona Kakkar for joining us and giving us a lot of protsahan from the back end and talking about the topic per se, and Dr. Charu. And I think they are very erudite readers as well themselves. And so pardon any, glitches and any of these. And Anand Srinivas, who reads tons of stuff and sometimes we chat. Kishore Desai ji, I can see here. And Ajay Sheth, though, is a great friend also, sitting far away. We talk very less. I got to know Sharvari today, and a lot more people who are not typing, but you're welcome to type and put in your mail IDs so that we can share these presentations. For taking all the trouble, and I want to thank at this point in time Shantanu, who is in the back end. I will bring him on stage in the end. He has been doing the sound for us. Thank you, Shantanu Bhide. He's also one of the singers. The Groove Studio Club is all R4 singers who were born 2 years ago from Pench, and we continued being together, learning music. We all don't sing very well, but we're trying to sing. We're learning classical, not as good as Sangeeta Vyas ji on screen here. If you all have attended her shows, you will know she sings beautifully. And she will be renditioning a few ghazals of Jagjit Chitra ji on 26th of April in Mumbai, in Chembur. Connect with me if you want to be part of the film screening of Kagaz Ki Kashti and the Ghazal program. Now let's move to this. I mean, how did we choose the books? Sangeeta, I want to spend a little time. As you can see, both the books that we did so far, okay, are authentic, are first hand, and they're factual, and which is what Shankar Iyer and musically Kalpana make sure that it's not secondary research, it's authenticated information that is given as musicology on the Nostalgia shows. And while this is a book presentation and we have invited only R4 people and the singers are a part of this presentation, I invite everyone to be a part of this, and we are choosing authors who have had a first hand speaking. Either you're speaking, if you've seen Kagaz Ki Kashti, you've seen R.D. Burman's Panchaman mixed by Brahmanand Singh, you'll see it's a interview process and they're speaking out of their first hand. Ronu Munjamdar is in it, Ullas Bapat is in it, Erishan Shankar Loy, and so many who have seen the film. So it's all first hand, and we're very fortunate that people picked these books. They picked these books. We didn't have to tell them, and it was immediate. And I thank you, Niketan, sitting in Singapore. I know it's taken a lot out of your work to do. And thank you, Venki Krish, for taking all the trouble and making sure we're good to go on this show for the first edition. And every month we'll have this edition. So Kalpana and Shankar, you're our constant special guests to make sure you give us more insights and nuggets. Yes, over to you, Sangeeta ji.
Yes. कैंडी जी, आपने मेरे बारे में इतना सारा कुछ कह दिया है, अब हमें भी आपके बारे में व्यूअर्स को बताना है. सो अगर आप स्लाइड लगाएंगे, उसके पहले मैं ये बताऊंगी कि कैंडी इज फुल ऑफ एनर्जी. मतलब कैंडी में भी लास्ट में वाई लगा है और एनर्जी में भी वाई लगा है. सो जैसे अभी आपने उनकी बातों से पहचान लिया होगा कि कितना फुल ऑफ एनर्जी है, एनर्जेटिक है, तो वो जिनके साथ रहती हैं, जहां रहती हैं, वहां भी